Is it time to buy or sell the TQQQ ETF? In this video, we will explore the TQQ in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 1st of May, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 29th of April, 2025, our system has ranked TQQQ as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 3.25. Let's take a look at the ETF's performance during this period. The ETF has seen a gain of 3.46%. This translates to an average return of 1.15% per day since it was listed as a buy candidate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of 44.35% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 73.50% to negative 44.35%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 0.294%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from negative 31.71% to 63.67% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $38.77 and $92.91. Our latest daily update for TQQQ includes the headline, TQQQ ETF price ended at $56.77 on Thursday, after gaining 3.44%. The TQQQ ETF price gained 3.44% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 1st of May, 2025, rising from $54.88 to $56.77. It has now gained for 3 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues to rise or takes a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 3.96%, with a low of $56.64 and a high of $58.89. The price has increased in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 25.35% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 30 million shares, with a total of 101 million shares traded for approximately $5.73 billion. It is important to consider that falling volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the upcoming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the ETF was $93.79, while the lowest price was $35. Currently, the price is 39.47% or $37.02 below the 52-week high, and 65.13% or $106.02 below the all-time high reached on the 15th of January, 2018, when the price peaked at $162.79. The ProShares Ultra Pro QQQ, or TQQQ, is currently in the spotlight as investors navigate a volatile market landscape. Recent reporting highlights how some investors are leveraging this volatility to capture gains with TQQQ and other exchange-traded funds. Following a period of market fluctuation since Liberation Day, TQQQ has been recognized among the best-performing exchange-traded funds, attracting particular attention due to its strong connection with the Magnificent 7 tech stocks, which include major contenders like Microsoft, Apple, and Nvidia. With these stocks poised for significant growth, driven by advancements in artificial intelligence, TQQQ appears to be a compelling buy for long-term investors. Furthermore, a notable valuation drop amidst market turmoil presents a strategic opportunity for those looking to capitalize on rebound potential. Analysts are optimistic, suggesting that recent inflows into equity exchange-traded funds could signal an end to the current market correction, which would bolster TQQQ's performance. In the short term, TQQQ may experience heightened volatility as traders respond to market movements. However, if the projected growth in technology continues to materialize, TQQQ could see substantial gains, reflecting a significant upside for long-term investors. Keeping an eye on these developments will be crucial for making informed investment decisions with TQQQ as market conditions evolve. The following signals have been identified for TQQQ. The chart indicates mostly positive signals today. The TQQQ exchange-traded fund holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a favorable outlook for the fund. However, there is a general sell signal arising from the relationship between these two indicators, as the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During downward corrections, support is anticipated around the levels of $53.48 and $54.03. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, April 8, 2025, with the fund having risen 45.94% since then. Further increases are expected until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, a buy signal is also present from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day despite an increase in prices, creating a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, the ETF warrants close monitoring. Here are some additional signals that you may find intriguing. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots have shown a buy signal 17 days ago. Bollinger Bands signaled a buy opportunity 20 days ago. The short-term moving average provided a buy signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 46 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a buy signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a sell signal 48 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 40 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for TQQQ. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level, from accumulated volume at $52.61 and $48.58. There is a natural risk involved when an exchange-traded fund is testing a support level, since if this level is breached, the fund may then decline to the next support level. In this case, TQQQ finds support just below today's level at $52.61. If this is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $48.58 and $46.14. This fund may experience significant movement during the day, indicating volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered to be high risk. Over the past day, the fund moved $2.25 between its high and low, which is a change of 3.96%. For the past week, the fund has had an average daily volatility of 5.87%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for TQQQ. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for TQQQ is at $59.11. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the ETF, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, TQQQ encounters its first support level at $52.61. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $55.01, reflecting a decline of 3.1%. This exchange-traded fund experiences significant daily fluctuations, which entails a higher level of risk. A buy signal has been identified from a pivot bottom established 16 days ago. Is TQQQ ETF a good buy? Several short-term signals indicate positive trends. Although the ETF is currently in a downward trajectory, we believe that this level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for the ETF to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our system suggests that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 2nd of May, we anticipate TQQQ to open higher by 662 cents, initiating trading at $57.43. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Do not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us when making your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge your responsibility for your investment decisions. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.